नमस्कार, मैं डॉक्टर अंजलि शर्मा, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर एमएस कॉलेज बीकानेर। आज की क्लास में हम फैशन के बारे में जानेंगे। सबसे पहले हम बात करते हैं टर्मिनोलॉजी ऑफ फैशन। इसमें सबसे पहले हम फैशन की डेफिनेशन को समझेंगे। अ स्टाइल दैट इज एक्सेप्टेड and used by the majority of a group at any one time, no matter how small the group is a fashion। अर्थात फैशन एक स्टाइल है जो एक ग्रुप में मेजॉरिटी में स्वीकार की जाती है तथा यूज़ की जाती है। जस्ट अबाउट एवरीथिंग दैट वी डू इन आवर डेली लाइफ इज affected by fashion. Fashion has a powerful impact on what we wear and how we live, and the kind of food we eat. Fashion even has an influence on how we expend our leisure time, how we travel, and where do we choose to work or study. Through the ways we use fashion, we reveal our own special personality and individuality. Fashion is a vital, challenging, ever-changing force. Fashion represents as an standard related terms of fashion. High fashion. It refers to those styles and designs accepted by a limited group of fashion leaders. Fashion styles or designs are generally produced and sold in small quantities and at relatively high price to entertainers and fashion innovators. Volume fashion or mass fashion. It refers to those styles or designs that are widely accepted. These fashions are usually produced and sold in large quantities at moderate to low prices and appeal to the greatest majority of fashion conscious consumers. Next, style. Style is the characteristic or distinctive appearance of a garment, that combination of features that makes it different from other garments. Example: kurta, skirt, jackets, shirts, etc. Sometimes certain characteristics are so special and individual in a large style classification that they develop into their own style. Example: salwar, dhoti salwar. Next है designs. A design is a specific version of a style. A skirt is a style in woven apparel which is available in many variation. Example: gorded skirt, A-line skirt, umbrella skirt. Next है taste. The fashion taste refers to an individual's opinion of what is and what not attractive and appropriate for a given occasion. A style may be beautiful, but if inappropriate to the particular circumstances, it may not be considered as good taste. Classic. Some styles or designs continue to be considered in a good taste or a long period acceptation to the usual rapid movement of styles through their fashion life cycle. A classic is a style or design that satisfy a basic need and remain in general fashion acceptance for an extended period of time. Example sari, jeans, shirts, salwar kurta आदि. Fade, a fashion that suddenly sweeps into popularity, affecting relatively few of the total population and then quickly disappear, is called a fade. Fade follows the same cycle as fashion do, but their rise in popularity is much faster and their acceptance much shorter. Their decline is more rapid because they can come and go in a style seasons. Fades have been called miniature fashion. It is mainly adopted by younger generation. Example scarf, block, टैटूइंग एक्ट. अब हम बात करते हैं फैशन साइकिल की. कंज्यूमर को हर सीजन में डिज़ाइनर्स के द्वारा बनाए गए कई स्टाइल्स प्रस्तुत किए जाते हैं. कई डिज़ाइंस रिटेल लेवल पर ही बायर्स के द्वारा तुरंत रिजेक्ट कर दिए जाते हैं, परंतु कुछ डिज़ाइंस लोगों के द्वारा एक्सेप्ट किए जाते हैं जो कि कंज्यूमर्स के द्वारा खरीदते हुए व पहनते हुए देखा जा सकता है. जिस तरह से कोई फैशन परिवर्तित होता है उसको फैशन साइकिल कहते हैं. फैशन साइकिल को साधारणतया बेल शेप्ड कर्व के द्वारा प्रदर्शित किया जाता है, जिसमें 5 स्टेजेस होती है. इंट्रोडक्शन, राइज इन पॉपुलैरिटी, पीक ऑफ पॉपुलैरिटी, डिक्लाइन इन पॉपुलैरिटी एंड रिजेक्शन. इस साइकिल को हम नेक्स्ट क्लास में कंटिन्यू करेंगे. थैंक्स.